Aha mukoro ogu omunyeshengero kamuri kuteesa yorekire okukwatwaho ahabw'omubare muhango gw'abeegi abarikumara ekyamushanju bakaba barakweyongyerayo kuza omu siniya.
73% of Uganda's population are young people, these ones. So we must, and I request the members of cabinet present here, therefore let us campaign for increasing the budget of the Ministry of Education. We need tertiary institutions, we need skilling centers for those who have finished P7 and did not get a chance to continue.
Aha mukoro ogu minisita w'ebyobwegyese bya primary Phyllis Chemutai niwe ajwekire omugyenyi mukuru John Krizito Muyingo, minisita w'ebyobwegyese aha mukoro gw'okurundaana sente z'okwombeka ishomero erya siniya omuri Kisojo. Abanyeshengero n'abandi bebembezi bashikire aha mukoro ogu kandi bahiireyo sente okuhwera okwombeka ishomero eri.
So long as I am there, I will make sure that Chenjojo receives something at least. We shall push it together with her until Chenjojo gets funding. And all the schools which are building as community schools should be taken up by government as you have requested.
Has created, it is the first time to have a senior secondary school. We didn't have even a single room of a secondary school, whether private or government secondary school in our sub-county. I thank you very much, our well honorable, our MP. Continue with it until even I request very many secondary schools because we have a problem of education in our sub-county.
Nchukura ninsima kamuri kura naito natekereza nk'abantu ba Kiswahili kugamba terekanje no bantu banje mbombekereki siniya abana babo basome kandi gali mazima siniya jobwera yombeka abana bijja kusoma habwokuba twina abana bayingi nangwa mbere ninkibaza nti abazaire bakozire kubi kusoroza abantu bakusoroiza abana bona bali amasomero gahana babateeka hali ejabarora
hanuna mukoro gusonda sente zokutandikaho isomero lyaitu lino erishiyaka ya St Andrews Community School. Torali nti isomero linona lyatandika kandi twina okunihiro kwa amani. Isomero lino lija kuyamba abantu bekichweka kino.
Ekanisa niyo yahireyo hiki 5 z'itaka kandi ishomero eri nirija kwetwa St Andrews Community Secondary School. Gasha kwa Daniel Bingana.